Hi there, art historians. So it turns out that Canvas has changed how you can attach an image to a discussion. I'm in this discussion and I want you to post some pictures. And I'm asking you to post pictures that might be ones that you don't have access to via URL. I'm going to show you real briefly what this is going to look like. So I'm going to hit reply here, and if I have a URL, I can type it in here. So I can copy the URL from an image and just put it in here. I can also go into Flickr and look up, how about Van Gogh, and pick an artwork this way. Although watch out, because people put weird things on Flickr, so sometimes you find images that are not by the artist you're thinking about. However, if you want to attach an image of your own, just clicking attach doesn't let us see it. Here, I'll try that. I'm going to go in here and choose a file from my desktop, hopefully. Here we go. Sorry, it's loading on me. So I'm going to attach this. And look at that, it doesn't show up. It just shows up as the image, and then somebody's gonna have to click on that. So that's not the way I want us to do that. It turns out that it used to be an easier way to do it. Now here is what you need to do. You need to go over here to this side toolbar, and you need to go to your account and click on Files. This is gonna allow you to upload a picture that you have on your computer into Files. Now, these are my files. You're going to make your own. I'm going to make a folder here, and I'm going to call it 282 pictures. You might want to make a folder because I'm going to ask you to do this maybe more than once. So go ahead and make yourself a file for this class, and then you can click Upload. Sorry, you can't see that. Upload. There you go. And then I'm going to upload that same image, and wait for it to load for a moment, and then I'm going to be able to go back into my course and back into the discussion post here. Ta-da! Oops, I went the wrong way. Back into my discussion post. That was the directions. Here we go. And now I can come in and either write a new post or edit the one I was already working on and get that picture to show up. I'll go here to embed image, just like I would before, but now I'm going to click on Canvas, my files, see that 282 pictures that we just created? And now I should be able to load in that picture. I can retitle it something, whatever I want it to. And then depending on the size of your picture, you may want to reduce it. I find that anything above about 500 on one of the dimensions will be pretty huge. Update, and then that picture should show up. All right, now I'm done. It shows up. I've got a picture in there. So that is what I'd like you to do for uploading your pictures in the discussion forum, because we can then see them, and it makes the discussion forum a whole lot easier to understand and follow. Thanks.